The recording. So I was discussing that we have discussed in the last 2 days, we have discussed the structure of a bibliometric paper, the required set of procedure in bibliometric analysis, the understanding of the concept of bibliometric analysis, the purpose of conducting bibliometric analysis, and we have discussed the steps for conducting bibliometric analysis. If you have missed something, you will get the recordings of the previous sessions. Today, we are going to apply a step-by-step procedure of conducting bibliometric analysis. Can you hear all of you? Ms. Hina, Dr. Arif, Wakar, Muhammad, Abhishek, Dr. Abhishek. Can all of you hear me clearly? Please let me know. Ms. Hina, Mr. Arif, Wakar, Muhammad, Abhishek Tripathi. Can all of you hear me clearly? Hello? Please indicate me. Nobody is responding. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. You all have the message. All right. So I was discussing about the step-by-step procedure that how to conduct a bibliometric analysis. Basically, uh, for the new members, the first step in conducting a bibliometric analysis was to define a research objective and scope. First, you need to identify what is your research objective for conducting a bibliometric analysis. Bibliometric analysis actually indicate that what is the gap in previous research and what are the literature gap that you need to identify through bibliometric analysis. So first you need to define your research objective. So yesterday I defined a research objective for conducting a bibliometric analysis. The objective was socially responsible investment in financial performance of a banking sector globally. This was basically the topic that I was interested to conduct bibliometric analysis. So what was my objective? My objective was to find out the influential journals, the authors, and the countries in the domain of socially responsible investment and financial performance. So I was interested in this topic with reference to this other key term in the banking sector globally. So I want to know that in this domain, how many journals are influential, like top 10 journals, top 15 journals who are doing research in socially responsible investment, top 10 authors or top 15 authors, and the top one, and which countries are doing research in this area. So you may have your own research objective. So to find out the research gap in SRI, which is socially responsible investment, or SRI, and financial performance in the banking sector in terms of potential concept, regions, and time frame. So this was the research objective for conducting uh, my bibliometric analysis. So you can set your own research objective. So this was the first step in conducting bibliometric analysis. So what was the second step? Second step is basically selection of a database. I have told yesterday with my two of the participants, Wakar Muhammad and Dr. Abhishek Tripathi, that we may use the databases like Scopus. We may use the databases like Web of Science. We may use the databases like Google Scholar and so on. Today, I am letting you know to use the Scopus database. Actually, I am a reviewer of a number of research uh, journals. Like I am a reviewer of Helion. I am a reviewer of finance sector, financial, and so on. Almost 5 to 7 journals are there where I am a reviewer of different articles. So whenever I complete a review of the article, they provide me a 30-day access for the Scopus. It means you can either access the Scopus in this way, like you becomes the reviewer of a journal, or you may access if you have authorized access from your institution or your organization or from your university also. You need to check from your relevant department like ORIC or someone else, or from the research initiatives from your university, whether they provide the access of Scopus or not. If you cannot access the Scopus or Web of Science, we may have some alternative like Google Scholar and some more databases that we can use. But let's start from the Scopus first, because I have access. I have a lot of access options for Scopus, but I can use only for myself because there is a single ID for this purpose. So they have provided me access after every paper for 30 days. So I would like to show you Scopus database. Scopus database looks like this. If you have access of Scopus database, you can see the screen as follows. Please let me know, Dr. Abhishek, do you have the access of Scopus database, and can you see this on your screen? Please let me know.
No, Bashir Saab.
Do you have uh, access of this screen you were discussing yesterday?
Just 1 minute. Let me open it, doctor. Just 1 minute.
All right. Wakar Muhammad, you told me that you have access for Scopus. Please let me confirm that you have access. Wakar Muhammad, please let me know. Yesterday, you told me that you have access from your institution.
Yes, sir, I have.
Can you open your screen like this that I have opened? This is Scopus database. And what about Miss Hina and Mr. Arif Saab? Do you both have any access from Scopus? Arif Saab, can you let us know? I can't hear. Your mic is on, but I can't hear. You can send message if your mic is not working. You can still send a message, Mr. Arif.
Bashir Saab, can I share the screen so that you can check?
All right. Let me make you. Let me unshare my screen. Sir, we don't have access. Is this free of cost? Mr. Arif, this is free of cost, but this will be provided when you become reviewer. You may check whether your institution provides this at your end, because in most of the universities abroad, this access is provided by the university to its faculty member. Like Dr. Abhishek is in working in Saudi Arabia, and their universities have provided access, and Mr. Vakar is in doing MPhil from China, and he also have the access. And I am working as a reviewer of Science Direct journals, so they provide me 30 days access. So let's just see the procedure. Let me check why it is not unsharing. All right, they have provided option for multiple participant can share simultaneously.
Bashir Sab, can I share the screen if you allow me?
I am checking why my screen is not going to unshare. Let me let
Open the
me.
Zoom, na? Maybe click that
Okay,
Zoom here and
okay,
maybe
okay. I have made you. I have made you. All right.
it's working now. Now working.
You can share your screen so that I can confirm that you have access of Scopus database. Go to the right where 80 is written. Okay, go to the sources. Go to the sources. No, no, out from it. Just go to the sources. Would it open? Yes, you have access. You have access. All right.
From where?
All right. This is the area that we need to use for conducting bibliometric analysis, data extraction. All
Okay.
right. All right. Let's
All
unshare
right.
your screen so that I can start. I think same is the case in Vakar Muhammad. Should I check your screen too, Vakar Muhammad, or is it
Yes,
fine? Please let me know.
it is. I think it is fine.
All right, all right. So let's I share my screen again so that we can start the process that I am going to discuss with you. So the second step for conducting the bibliometric analysis is conducting or confirming your database. So we have confirmed that our database is Scopus. We can choose Web of Science also. We can choose Google Scholar also. But today, my discussion is basically my discussion is on Scopus because it is accessible for most of us. Uh, then the third step is development of search strategies and keywords. So how can we create the keywords? Yesterday I told you that you need to see your topic. In which topic you are going to conduct bibliometric analysis. So the first key term in my topic is socially responsible investment. And the second key term in my topic is financial performance. So two major key terms you need to use, and you need to find out the synonyms of those key terms. My first key term was socially responsible investment. So I need to find out the synonyms of those keywords first, right? My second keywords was financial performance. So I have find out the synonyms of financial performance look like this. So what you need to do, you need to find out your major keywords and their synonyms. So I have find out the major keywords and their synonyms. That is my third step, which I have done. Now, I need to apply a search strategy. What is the search strategy and how does I need to apply this? There are two ways that you can use to apply the search strategy. Now, with this combination of keys, because I have two major keywords, the first keyword was socially responsible investment, and these are the synonyms. So I need to use these keywords in my Scopus database. Now I go to Scopus database, and you can see here search within, search documents, add search field, advanced documents, and so on. So you need to click in search document. You need to put your first key down, like socially responsible investment. That was the topic I am interested in doing my bibliometric analysis. So first keyword of my topic where I would like to conduct the bibliometric analysis. So I am writing here within the columns responsible, right? Then you need to click on the plus button and it will show you and sign. Always use or when you are using the synonyms of your keyword. If you are using another keywords which is not the synonyms of this word, you can use and. But if you are putting the synonym of your keyword, you should use or. Now I can write within colon the second word, the second keyword, the second synonym of the keyword, which is SRI. So I can put here SRI and comma, then plus sign and click for a synonym again. Third one is socially responsible investing, which is also a synonym of the first and second word. Socially responsible investing. Now you need to put it here within the column and then again and select or, and you need to put it again your next synonym is ethical investing, which is also a synonym of the socially responsible investment. So I copy from here and I put it under these columns like this. Then again select add and select or, and I put the next synonym of my major keyword like this. Now the synonyms of my first keyword are completed. Now I need to see the second keyword in my topic where I would like to do research. This one is completed. All right, Dr. Abhishek has a question. Please ask.
Bashir Saab, in our, it's mentioned only subject area,
Subject area, yes,
sources.
yes, this one. Is there any problem in your database?
No, no, no. In the scope, the sheet I showed you, it showed only that subject area, something.
Subject
Sources,
area,
subject area, enter subject area, like this.
subject area. I don't
This
know. Can you
I showed you now, you said.
can you share your screen again? Just
Like
a minute.
this.
I stopped my screen. You go to basically there should be a word like search, not the subject area, but a search option should be here. Actually, you can search the documents, but uh, why click on the subject area, click the arrow of subject area. No, the blue one, the blue arrow. No, it does not indicate. Click on the author search. is indicating yourself. Sources. Is there anything in the sources? Why it is not showing something like I have been seeing in my site? So let's complete the session. We will check uh, after some time, because at 10 p.m. I have another meeting in Turkey. A Turkish author has also collaborated in some research work, so he want to join with another Zoom meeting. So let me complete this. All right. I will check, Dr. Tripathi, why there is a difference on your side. So when you have completed the synonyms of your one word, you need to click add button again, and this time you need to use and for another key term. So let's suppose my second word or second keyword of my relevant topic is financial performance. So I have some synonyms of financial performance here. So I can put it under the column, and again put. Now this time and is used with another keyword, but you need to use or, because now you are using the synonyms of the second key. Now you can put here performance. Again, what is the next one? Next one is ROA, then ROE. Click or, put ROA. Then you need to put ROE and so on. Let's suppose this is what I am searching. Now click search button, and it will indicate how many authors or publishers have done research in this particular area. So this they have resulted in 312 documents. So 312 documents are found that has done the research in this area. So we can use this as a initial point. Now we can apply different techniques, like I have discussed here as a third step. That is the inclusion and exclusion, establishing exclusion and inclusion. It means that we need to apply what to include and what to exclude here. So there are a lot of options on your left side. You can see keywords, publication stage, source title. Let's suppose I want only the final articles. So I limitize these to the final articles only. Similarly, I want only the articles, not the book chapters. So I can limitize them to articles only. Similarly, I would like to have only business and management related articles, so I can limitize them to the business and related articles. So this is how you can apply the 4 steps. The last step is somewhat lengthy, and we will discuss this tomorrow, because the time has done for today's meeting, and I will cover it tomorrow with some part which is missing for today. I hope you understand at the initial part how the Scopus database done. I have not applied the fifth part, which is basically the downloading of the relevant article. It requires some more time, so I have to conclude the meeting. I hope Dr. Arif, Mr. Arif will also consult their relevant authority from the university regarding the Scopus database. Please, Vakar Muhammad, you need to apply these steps. I have applied here, and I will done the remaining part tomorrow. All right, let's conclude today's meeting. We'll meet tomorrow again with the same time.